Imagine cruising just above the ground, gliding effortlessly like something out of a sci-fi movie. That's the XTURISMO. Developed by Japanese startup ALI Technologies, this revolutionary hoverbike is a real flying vehicle that brings the concept of personal air mobility to life. Unlike drones or traditional aircraft, the XTURISMO combines the agility of a motorcycle with the vertical lift of an aircraft, using 6 propellers, 2 large central rotors for lift, and 4 smaller ones for stability and control. With a top speed of around 62 miles per hour and a flight time of up to 40 minutes, it offers an exhilarating and practical way to traverse difficult terrain or avoid traffic congestion entirely. Weighing about 300 kilograms and built with a lightweight carbon fiber frame, it's designed for agility, safety, and futuristic appeal. Though it's currently categorized as a recreational vehicle and not yet approved for public road or air use in most countries, the XTURISMO has already turned heads with successful test flights and public demonstrations, including a high-profile debut at the Fuji Speedway in Japan. It's envisioned for a wide range of real-world applications: disaster response, patrol missions, search and rescue, or even luxury entertainment. As regulatory frameworks catch up, ALI Technologies aims to refine the XTURISMO for broader adoption, with future models potentially going fully electric for sustainability. While it may look like something straight out of Star Wars, the XTURISMO is no fantasy. It's a bold leap toward the future of transportation, where flying personal vehicles aren't just a dream, but a tangible, thrilling reality.